Hi, my name's Amy. I'm the clinical specialist with Saebo UK. In this video, I'm going to give you some high-level exercise ideas to practice with your SaeboGlove. So these exercises are good if you're looking at more dexterous control and fine finger control with your glove. So I've got a selection of different objects that are fairly small in size that I've got to practice manipulating with the glove on. So different things you can do is either picking the items up and trying to manipulate them in the grasp. So I've got a set of keys and then just dropping them into a bowl. I've got a bag clip that I've got to manipulate and drop in. Also makes it challenging to try and fish the objects out of the bowl and being specific with which one you're trying to get out. It might also be with each item, so I've got some glue, but it could be anything like toothpaste with a lid on. Either hold it with your unaffected hand, and this is the more challenging way, and then practice trying to take the lid off with your SaeboGlove. Or if that's too difficult, swap over. So your SaeboGlove is going to hold the tube whilst you then can unfasten. So it could also be a slightly larger object like a jam jar. I've got a plastic bag clip, so this is quite good, or it could be a clothes peg that you've got to practice squeezing together, and then I can unclip with my unaffected hand. Obviously if I swap over, I squash it shut with my affected hand, and I've got to try and open it up with the SaeboGlove. That will make it more difficult. You will have got some little cubes with your SaeboGlove. Could be anything you use though, something stackable. These are quite nice for a pincer grip, so that's when it's just your thumb and index finger, or thumb, index and middle finger, and actually practicing stacking one on each other. The higher up you get, you've got to be really controlled with letting go to build that tower. I'm doing it in sitting so that I can really focus on my hand. If you want to challenge yourself more, stand up and do it in standing so that your balance is challenged a little bit as well. You can also play around with the tensioners on your SaeboGlove, so as you start to remove tensioners, that will make the muscles in the hand work a little bit harder to open up. If you need a little bit more help to open, depending on the difficulty of the task, then you can add more tensioners to it. But have a play around with different objects around your house to find which are easy and more challenging, and obviously what's relevant to you and what your goals are. Thank you.